Hey everybody, Andrew with Suds to Success podcast. We got this product sent to us from Chemical 404, Hydro Slick. Never used it. They wanted our opinion, how it works. What I like about them already is they send you a bunch of information and instructions, which I'm not gonna lie, I read it very quickly. But then after, as a detailer, I don't read instructions, and it just don't. But what's nice about these is it's actually all laid out, and then they have more instructions on here, and it's actually, so if you lose this, doesn't matter. This just kind of gives you a cheat sheet, so it's like how many pumps per panel, so it kind of gives you an idea. What's interesting that I like about it is they send you a nice little box, decent amount of applicators in here, a towel, and then this product. It's actually kind of like a, I don't know, like a beauty type container where like I would see like shampoo or something in it. What this product is for is pretty much like a 3 to 6 month protectant. It says it lasts up to a year for protection, but the beading is going to fade off. So it's more of a short-term product. So all you're going to do is prime this on. It said prime a decent amount here. It's actually like a cream, which is interesting. So I'm going to do that. We're going to see how this goes. So I'm just going to put it on here. When I do coatings, I like using foam pads or microfiber pads. So this isn't really out of the realm. It says go in circular motion. So I kind of would apply it like a coating. It's almost like, it feels like a wax going on. So it's a creamy type consistency. And I'm guessing once you stop seeing it, you need a bit more, just apply more. So it's very similar to a paste wax. If you like that kind of feel of the paste wax, this would be a good product for you. This is an SiO2 product. So it would be in the ceramic realm, but they're saying it's more of like a longer term product. It reminds me of an easier paste wax applying it. In terms of durability, we're obviously not gonna be able to test the durability, see how long this lasts. So I'm just gonna kind of give you my opinion on the product, how the application is. What I really like about it is it said let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes. We're gonna do that, see how easy the buff off is, and we'll go from there. All right, product's been on for 15 minutes. In terms of what I would consider this product as, more of a topper is what I just assumed. So you have a coating already, want to add some hydrophobics, want to add some protection, or if you want it to be a super good SiO2 topper just on paint, that's what I'd recommend. It says you can also put this on your glass, your wraps, that type of thing. So it is a pretty versatile product. My first gut instinct with these is it reminds me of a paste wax, like I keep saying. So it brings me back to when I started detailing. A lot of the stuff now is liquid based. Now, if the durability of this is more than like a liquid based product, yeah, sure. And in terms of, and what's really gonna help us too here is how easy this buff off is. So I'm using the towel they provide. I never do this with products, I'm gonna be honest. Usually the towels suck. So if this towel is good, that's another win for this company because they look like they have their stuff together. They give you a lot of applicators. This bottle, I think, is the nicest bottle I've ever held in my hand. You know, I use like dish soap to wash my hair. That's not true, but this looks very nice. And it does make me feel good kind of using it. It was easy to use. In terms of buffing it off, I'm just gonna go in a circular motion as you would. And this paint surface is not the best paint surface. So in terms of if this product were to give you problems, because I mean it has sand in it, has different things, it would be on this. So that's why I'm using it kind of as the test car. Other than that, it's a pretty badass car. By the way, it's a Magnum wagon. So it's a nice car. Okay, buff off. I'm gonna do half of it. it was super easy to get off. So in this conditions, I'm gonna be honest, we're in an AC shop. It's the middle of, or I guess I would say the end of summer, September. Humidity is kind of normal. It didn't give me any type of grab. It wasn't sticking. It's super easy. What I would recommend this product for consumers. So if you have a ceramic coating and want to apply something really durable, it does say they're veteran owned too, which is awesome. It's made in the USA. Seems like a good company behind it. If you want to do that and you miss the paste wax kind of feel, this would be a good product. I mean, it's pretty high end and it's actually incredibly easy. I kind of had a doubt when I saw it was kind of like a paste wax, like everyone's had the paste wax where it kind of like just goes concrete on the car and you're like, and you're trying to get it off and it does not go well. This was super easy. I applied it pretty sparingly so you could see it, but yeah, I would say it's a good product. If you are a consumer and really like a good product to put on top of your ceramic coating, kind of heal it and bring back its hydrophobics, yeah, try out HydroSlick. They sent it to us, so this is a video. We didn't get paid for the video, but they sent us the product to kind of test out. So yeah, I'd recommend them. In terms of durability, I don't know what the durability would be, but even if you're getting 5 months, 6 months out of it for extra beating, yeah, I would say it's a good product for you, and you can kind of do it at the beginning of the year and the end of the year, and you're good to go. If you guys have any questions about how to apply ceramic coatings or different products, or if you want to send us products, reach out to us on our website, Says to Success Podcast. Have a great day.